This next activity is the one that everybody wants to know, how I put so much detail into my cats. It takes time more than anything else. You have to zoom in a lot. You have to use a lot of time and a lot of patience to create the effect and the texture that you would like to see in a bird or in an animal or in any composition that you're going to put together. Fine art takes time, and it takes time to get the feel of how to work with a tablet. And so more than anything else, all the time in the world, all the theory in the world and all the personal hand-holding that you'll get from an art teacher will not ever take over the time that you're going to put in by just experiencing what you can draw on the tablet. So one of my challenges to everyone is that if you're creating something, take your time, don't rush it, don't get frustrated, because this is not all going to end up in a gallery. The things that I've shown to you are the pieces of art that worked. I've drawn thousands and thousands of pieces of art that I've never put my signature upon, because I never ever want anybody to know that I painted that. Now the ones where you see my DC on it or my actual signature on it, then those ones are the ones that I got to the point where, geez, this turned out okay. There's piles of art that didn't turn out okay, and that's part of the process of being an artist. Don't always expect to produce an award-winning piece